Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have this Audi Q3. This is 2023 model and we have just completed the adaptive cruise control upgrade. So let me show you now how it all works. Right, so just to also show you the radar that is responsible for the adaptive cruise control is sitting here. So this little flat surface actually is responsible for the sensing the distances and all that for the adaptive cruise control. So and obviously for applying the brakes and acceleration and all that. So this sensor here is the main component of the adaptive cruise control. So let's get to inside and show you now how it all is working. Right, so we're in the car now, and the additional visible thing that you can see now is this additional stalk here. So I'm just gonna come closer with the camera so you can see this stalk fully operates the cruise control. So you got a set, you can have set up the distance and so on. And where it comes up on the screen is in that exactly section here. So if I set it up now for you, I activate it, you'll see the red light around the gauge is changing to show it's on. So I'm going to do it again now. So there you go, that is on now. And now you can set, you've got several things to do. So you can adjust the distance. So if you look at the icon here with a little car, you can adjust the distance to other cars in front, so it can be closer or further away from them. And then obviously we can adjust the speed. So you can see the little dial here, the red one, that is moving up for the speed, to increase the speed we want to set it at. So the car obviously stays at, let's for example here, 60 miles per hour. We are stationary now, so it's not going to do it, but obviously we're going to get it on the road and show you how it operates when the car is in motion. Right, so we're moving at about 27 miles per hour, and the threshold, as you can see, is about 20. So we already, you can see the green light. That means we are engaged, and there's a car in front of us. So the car is slowing itself. We're not touching the brake or accelerator. The car is just controlling the distance between us and the car in front and controlling the speed that we've set. And it's just doing it now. And if we get to the full stop as we now, the car, without touching the pedals, stops itself as well. We're really just controlling the steering wheel. That's how good this thing is. So we're just approaching a roundabout, and we're going to turn left. And we're continuing driving. There's a car coming in front of us, still going, controlled by the cruise control, not by us. We're only touching the steering wheel. The pedals are not touched. And whatever happens in front of us, the car will react automatically. So you can see again, the green is activated. The speed is set up to, what is it up to 30 miles per hour, which is the limit on this road that we're driving on. And it's just controlling and monitoring what's happening in front of us. So I just want to get to the point where we're going to stop again, which is coming in front of us, because there are traffic lights that will force us hopefully to stop. So just show you again that we will be stopping. The car will be stopping without us touching the brakes. So you can see the car is braking. We're coming closer, and the car, it's slowing down already. We're not touching the brakes. It's slowing down, and we're getting to almost full stop. It's slowing down. It's 15, 14, 13. We're not touching the brakes. And as you can see, it's slowing down on its own, and keeping the distance, which is important as well. So that it obviously the distance that we set up in there. So there you go, 3, 2, 1. We are now fully stopped. We're not touching the brakes. We stopped. The car in front of us is stopped as well. So the moment he moves, we just need to touch the accelerator gently, and the car will restart and continue in the full adaptive cruise control mode. So that's how the system works. If you want more information, just get in touch with us. All the links will be in the description. Otherwise, thank you for joining us, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.